Hey guys, today I'll be sharing on this Armaggeddon MKA 2C budget mechanical keyboard. Is a floating keycap style, and their keycaps are from Kevlar tag, which has a guarantee that they will not fade for a long time. So I've been using this keyboard for the past 3 months, and you can see the keys are not fading and there's no signs of fade. These keycaps are removable and it can be customizable with your own keycaps, and these removable keycaps are very convenient for you to clean over the time. When you use for a long time, there are some dirt that goes in between the keys, and you can see that these RGB lights, they are a multicolor RGB backlight, but unfortunately you can't change the color to a uniform color, but it is customizable by its backlight mode. It has 12 backlight mode which you can adjust. This keyboard is considered a lightweight keyboard. And let's see at the back, it has a adjustable elevation, a rubber stop. If you need a little bit elevated, you can elevate it by this, and it'll be more comfortable to type up. So now I'll be testing the sound of the keys. So now I'll be showing the LED light mode. First is the snake shape running horse. So it has like the light going like from right to left, right to left, right to left. The second one would be the wave. As you can see, there is like a wave of light. The third one is vertical. It goes row by row, from up to down and down to up. The next one is the horizontal, line by line. So it goes from horizontally left to right, right to left. The next one is leaning transformation. It goes from this side to the top, and then yeah, you can see it's like from this side to that side. The next is cross lighting. It's having like a cross effect. The third one is single light, which it only like sparks when you type on the keys, a single key. The next one is the left to right scan and right to left scan. So it's like a scanning device. The next one is the longitudinal brightening and fading. It's a bit slow, just slowly from left to right, and then it will fade away from left to right. The next is the dot spread. So the dot spread is when you type on the key, it goes like wheel. It's like a spread of virus or something. So it's pretty cool, like the key. So the last one is the ever bright. So these are the 12 light backlight modes. You can increase and decrease the backlight brightness by clicking FN. Go up for brighter and then down for dimmer. There's like 4 levels. So this is the dim, and this is the most bright level.